Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to continue working on part 6 of this house build. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to finish off the kitchen. And as you can see, we have the island and we have the fridge here. And then we added some furniture. And here we're going to continue working on this. And what I want to do is I'm just going to pull this back because I want to add an extrusion later on here. So I'm just going to leave it like that. But what I want to do now is we should add the second floor. So let's go to second floor. So it will be right here, level 2. And then as you can see, overlay is, we have an overlay of below. So that's fine because we're gonna create some of the perimeter of the walls with this one. So let's press escape multiple times and then click on architecture, click on wall, and then we want to make sure that this is exterior wall. And then after that, you want to make sure that it's up to level 3, which it already is, and it's centered, and then it's chained. And then now we're ready to add it. So click on A1 up to A3 and then going down and just copying this one at below. So we're copying what we did below. Move it like that. And then now here, what I'm gonna do now is to connect this one up to here all the way to the left side, but typing in 3200. And then after that, after the 3200, what we could do here is click on the wall again. So I press escape so that it will just, we could just go on up to here. And then let's just connect this one again like that. And I want to make sure that we have everything aligned. There we go. And then now here, I want it to be around 7 or 800. So I just put it at 800. And then now we're going to continue working on this and just connect it like that up to this grid line, which is number 2. Go back here. And then now give it a little bit of a gap here. So what I'm gonna do here is we click on C2. Now we're just gonna extend this wall around 500 could be good enough. So you can type in 500. So we're basically clicking here and then just clicking 500. And I just want you guys to follow it. That's why I did multiple click. But as you can see, this will be just one single wall. So now go up to the number 1 grid. And then you want to finish it off and go into A1 grid. You can then press escape multiple times. And then now we could go to our properties and then take off range base level under underlay, and then we should put it at none. and then click apply. Now everything will disappear and we won't be able to see what's going on down. So that's fine. Next thing we're gonna do is let's add in the interior wall. So let's change this. So I click on the wall and then just change this to interior wall. And then once we do, we could just connect this one all the way to here. So that's done. I'm gonna add in a wall like this right here. And then through that, we could set up how far it should be. So here, I'm going to move this one. So I'm gonna move this temporary dimension right here. And then from here, I'm just gonna type in, I want it to be 980. So it went back because I set it from here. After that, let's add in the same wall. So you can type in CS now and then click on this wall. And then now click on the wall again and you want it to be set around 3140. So 3140, it will be right here, and we're gonna set it up again. So let's add the same one. So click it, CS, and then let's add a wall right here. And then that wall should be around 1340. And then let's add in something like that. And this one will be around 1240. So that's fine. And later on, we're gonna pull this out because this one is a shower area. And then now, let's add in more walls. So now we're just adding the walls so that we could manipulate the area. I'll be adding a wall right here. So I added the wall somewhere right here for now. And then add another wall right here. And then this wall should be around around 1300. So that's good enough. Maybe we could put it at 1200. So I put it at 1200 like that. And then we're gonna add a wall right here as well. So CS on this, and we're gonna pull this back. Let's use trim and extend so that we could just trim it like that fast enough. And then same wall, we're just gonna add in a cabinet here, like so. That's too big, so it's around 600 will be good enough. And then 600 by 600. Okay, we're going to extend this a bit, maybe around, I'm gonna pull this one around 1000. So let's check that earlier, how far will it, so around 1000. So that's good enough. And then CS, let's add this and close it off like that. we're gonna pull this out so that it's not, we're not bothered with this. So CS, so align it. So AL to align, and we could just pull this back a bit because we have our temporary dimension right here, and we could set it off now at around 1100. So that's good enough for our doors. And we should click on the wall again. And what we could do is we could extend this one a bit, around 500. Add it like that, and then use trim and extend TR. So we have our door going in, and then we're gonna have a closet right here. So click CS, and then let's add a closet right here, around 800. And then the size here is around 24. Let's put it 2400. So that's good enough. That's big enough for this space. And then here as well, we're gonna extend this, and then click on the wall again, or do a CS. We can extend this and manipulate this now. So from here, let's put it 2000. More than enough space. We have a space here as well. And then now we could move this a bit. So instead of 500, let's put in 400. So let's extend that a bit. So that's fine. I'm happy with this. Let's add in the door so that everything is clear. Let's use the 750 by 2000, similar below. So here, let's add the wall of the door right here, and it should be going in like that. This will be the washroom for everyone, for these two rooms, and then for this master, we have an entry. And like I said, we're gonna pull this out because this is a shower. And then now here, we can add a door for the entrance of the master. Here we have a door for this room, and we could add the door right here for this room. So that's good. Everything's getting cleared. Click on door again, but change the sliding door. So let's put in 1200 by 2000 again, and then let's add 1200 for here, and then press escape and then click it again. Now we could change this to 1500 or whatever fits. So maybe 1700 will be good enough for the size. Here let's put in 1500. This one 1700. And this one let's put in a door. So CS and add the door like that. This will be the walk-in closet. Let's see the size here. 1200 is more than enough for the space. Just we're gonna add in a, like some sort of barrier here, because this is, we're gonna go down here. This is where the stairs are, and we need some space there. Okay, let's clear this up. And then this is the laundry. So we could click on this, and then we could just add a door right here for the laundry. And let's add in some details here. So go to annotate, click on detailed line, and make sure this is demolish. So we need to add 2 lines like so to represent the rod. Okay, and then here as well. We can make this smaller. So around 650 by 2000 would be efficient, or we could add a sliding door. But I think a small door like this will be good enough. Easiest way is you just click on this and then type in CS. Let's put it on the middle like so, and then we could just trim this and then move it in place. And then after that, let's click on detailed line again and then put in thin lines. Like that, and then let's add it like here, and then use trim TR to connect them all together. And then we could just move this one a bit so that it will be similar flow there. We could add in a desk here later on, and then the beds as well. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.